Hey everybody, Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Listen, I'm working on my Snowflake Chargers. I know I showed you how to do them, but I had it in with another video and I want to give you my little updates. So I'm making a quick pre-recorded video before we run out. So this is what I'm using. This is stiff felt from Hobby Lobby. It's $1.99, and then when it's half off, it's $1. It's 12 by 18. So what you want to do is take your dinner plate. These are my Dollar Tree snowflake plates. Lay it down. Trace it with the pencil. I did that already. And then you're going to want to cut it out. So I am going to cut that off. You're going to want to cut it out on your trace line. I want to show you what I found to fix my Walmart snowflakes. Remember I told you all the glitter was coming off. Now you could get Rust-Oleum glitter spray paint. I couldn't find it anywhere. I finally found glitter spray at Hobby Lobby. And this is what I used. Glitter Blast. Glitter Blast. I got it at Hobby Lobby. It was 30% off at $9. So I laid all my snowflakes out because see how they are missing part of their glitter. So I laid them all out in the garage on cardboard. I sprayed them with my Glitter Blast. And then I used, they have a sealer for Glitter Blast. I used that too. That's from Hobby Lobby also, and it was 30% off at $8. Okay, these are my big white snowflakes I'm using. I got these at Hobby Lobby. You get 12 pieces in a package for $4. The regular 8, they're 50% off. They're nice and heavy. They're white glitter. You need 7. You need 7 for your charger. So what you're going to want to do, now see these lines in the center of your snowflake? That is what I line my snowflake up on my felt. So I am going to line these up, line them up around. It makes it easier to see what you have to glue when you line them up around and make sure they're spaced okay. Let's see. I'm trying to get my lines here. That one has a little dirty mark on it. Flip it around. Okay, so you're gonna line these up. See, I gotta squish them together a little for my last one to fit. Okay, you have them all lined up. Pay attention to where you want to glue, because I am going to glue this whole bottom that's on my felt. So I know my line, so I want to glue everything below my line in the center. So I'm going to lift it up, and I am going to add my glue. I'm adding it on all my little parts. This is going to give it sturdiness when it's on your felt. Okay. Now I'm going to lay it back. I know my line is where I want to go. So same thing. You're just going to work your way around. See, I'm just adding the hot glue on all the parts I know that are getting glued to my felt. Okay, I'm not going to glue this whole thing in front of you because you get what I'm doing. I have one glued already. I'm going to glue the silver ones because that's the ones I want to show you that you may have to lift some of them. But see how sturdy that? It's much sturdier when you glue the whole bottoms. Okay, let me set this aside. So you end up with this. Look how pretty this is. Then you're going to take your 7. You need 7 different snowflakes. I'm using these silver ones from Walmart. I showed you that I fixed. You're going to center them in between your big snowflakes. Now, you see my center of this snowflake? I kind of put it in the middle up here of these 2. So center them, and this little hanger part, I put in the center, facing like inwards, because your plate will cover it. So center these around. You need 7. I want to make sure I got my good sides facing upwards. Okay, I have them all centered. I have them all centered. Now, I am going to pick it up so I know where I want to add my glue. I'm going to add my glue on these 3 bottom stems here. These 3 bottom ones. I'm just going to go up and down, and I think I'm going to go across. So the 4, I left the top 2 unglued and glue it down. I'm going to do this one now. You kind of want to pick it up so you know what you want to glue. So I'm adding to right across here, and then these 2. Just like that. And then I'm going to place it back down. I'm going to work my way around. Press down on them a little bit. I know I'm going to need another glue stick. Okay. All right, I think I got them all now. I do. Okay, I have them all on there. Oh, is this not so pretty? Along with a bunch of glue strings. Now, I kind of lift these up to see if I need to glue them anywhere for sturdiness. I think I got them all. Well, I could add a little here. I'm just checking my glue stick. Just checking to see if I need to add glue anywhere. So just lift them up to see if you need to add any glue anywhere. I think they're good now. And let's see, let's add a little here. Okay, I think that's good, guys. How pretty is this? How pretty is this? And how simple. How simple. The longest part was me respraying all of these so they'd be covered with the glitter and sealing them. Okay, I hope you like these and I hope you make these. If you have, whoops, I gotta finish that one. Your Dollar Tree snowflake plates. How pretty is this gonna look on there? Okay, I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for joining me. Bye.